YouTubers. So it is what, January 6th, Monday, January 6th. And at the end of last year, I had been contemplating, what I wanted to do for my health. And I am naturally, I was about to say naturally out of shape. I am naturally stiff. When I want to be flexible, I have to like really work at it. Holly, stop. I have to like stretch a lot and like really work at it. And so I decided that I want to start doing yoga, and as a part of my lifestyle, so that I can get into shape, get some flexibility going, help me lose weight, and just be generally healthy. I did some research because I know there's different types of yoga and different names. I already forgot the name, but I'm doing like, I guess, the basic one. And I found this girl on YouTube, Yoga with Adriene. She has her own channel, and I'll post the link. She has stuff for beginners. She has stuff for people who have been doing it for years. She has like all different kind of playlists. And so I picked her to be my yoga guru from home, because I am a stay-at-home mom. And AJ, can you keep it down? Mommy's talking. I'm a stay-at-home mom. I got Holly Berry with me. And so, I can't really go away to a gym. And plus you save money. Hello, if you do everything at home. So I have a mat that I got like years ago, before kids, before marriage, that I'm using. But she said that you don't really need anything else to start off with. I'm not wearing anything fancy. I'm just gonna keep it real basic. But my goal, I set a goal. One, was to start. That's one goal. Two, I told myself, come here. Two, I told myself that, I would at least do it on the days, mommy. I said that I would at least do it on the days that Alex is at home, days that he's off work, so that I couldn't have an excuse about, oh, I can't do it because, the kids. Hold on, I'll be right back. So, I wanted to kind of document this for myself, but also to inspire others, who are interested to learn how to do yoga. And not to be discouraged by how much there is available to you, and where to choose and where to start. So for me, just to document and help me be held accountable, and for y'all to encourage y'all to start. So I just finished the first session that I picked from her. Again, I'm gonna put the link in my description. It was like 20 minutes. It was super simple, super basic. She suggested doing, that one video every day for a week. So I'm gonna try that out before I, take it to any next level. Like you said, it's super basic. 20 minutes. I did it right on the floor in my living room. And then after I do that for 5 days or 5 times, I don't know. I'm just gonna keep it easy. I'm taking everything one day at a time. I make the rules for my life. But yes, I'm gonna do it 5 times, and then I'm gonna pick another video from her. She has a lot of videos to pick from, but I'll just pick the next one that's maybe a little bit longer. She has one that's like 40 minutes. That's for beginners that I was eyeing, but again, I will post a link to that when I do it. So I'm just gonna show you a little clip of me following along her 20-minute video. I'm gonna fast forward it so that it's not 20 minutes, but just so you guys can get an idea of what that looks like. And just all you have to do is start. Just do it. Also, to accompany my desire to be healthy and to get in shape and to lose weight, because I've had 3 kids, I am going to be drinking more water. My goal is to drink at least 70 plus ounces a day. I have a huge water bottle. It's all the way on the table. I'll go grab it. I got it from Ross for like $5. So my goal is to drink that whole thing every day I do want to look into making some meals that are meatless at least once a week, and try to gradually increase, that. And then intermittent fasting has been really good and really helpful to losing weight. So I think that what I'll do is stop eating after 7. So I won't eat anything after 7. And then even with breakfast, I've seen some people talking about, don't eat breakfast until noon. So I may try that. We'll see. I haven't had any breakfast yet. I have had coffee. I've had 2 cups of coffee, and it's going on 10. I've been up since 7 o'clock. So I could probably wait 2 more hours before I eat. We'll see. I'm not going to starve myself. I'm just going to see how I feel and play it by ear. And I'm going to check in with y'all to let you know how the progress is going. And then I'll probably, depending on how actually, let me be positive. Based on my progress, I'll probably do like a final video, just kind of showing y'all how it goes. And so let's just take from there. So thank you for tuning in, and I wish y'all luck on y'all's health and fitness journey. And let's do it together. So feel free to comment in my comment below with any suggestions for some yoga for beginners to try at home. And let me know what y'all's fitness goals are in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. And Happy New Year, everybody. Happy 2020. See y'all soon.
To begin in a cross-legged position, we call this Sukhasana, or the easy pose, the pose of ease. Take a second here to check in with the breath by maybe looping the shoulders a couple times forward, up and back. Inhale, looping forward. Exhale, grounding down and back.
Holly, not.
Just find a little organ.
Come on. AJ, go press the red button. Go press the red button for me.
Just maybe moving one ear over one shoulder.